Hello, this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have a Bokksu unboxing. Let you guys get a good look at the box. Premium Japanese snacks. Bokksu.com. And the top. That looks to be the entire box. Let's get into it. Ooh. Summer Matsuri. The culture guy looks very artistic this time. Our Japanese words are festival, a god or spirit, kami, I think that is god or spirit, Matsuri, festival, mikoshi, portable shrine or divine pelican that carries kami. Washoi, a chant used by people carrying the mikoshi, sometimes translated as carry peace or heave ho. I actually think that's pretty funny. Hanabi, fireworks popular at summer festivals. Dashi, festival float. And Tanashi, fun. Again, I'm pretty sure I am butchering all of these, but I am trying my hardest. All of these look so good every month. I'm so happy that they include like chocolates or sweet things. I have a really bad sweet tooth. I like these types of candies. They're really good. Ooh, a maple cream pancake. That sounds delicious. I had these in one of our old boxes. It was one of the best crackers I have ever tasted. Festival food you will love. Here's all the different types of festival foods and where they come from. Next month's haiku hint. What is the rabbit making way up on the moon? Will he share his snacks? I got another thank you card. Thank you for being a fantastic Bokksu member. I hope these fun festival inspired snacks bring a festive atmosphere to your home this month. While you may not be on the streets of Tokyo celebrating one of the many summer Matsuri festivals, there are so many of us celebrating our love of Japanese snacks every month. Celebrate with us in our Facebook group, Bokksu Unboxed. Hope to see you there. And this is the founder's name. I butcher his name, so I rather not try to say his name. I find it more disrespectful to butcher someone's name. Oh, these look like rock candies. They look so good. You guys get a good look at it. The key for this month, I think it is this way, I believe. I'm not 100% sure on that. Oh, these are the pancakes. They have a little stamp on them by the looks of it. Looks like a little chef. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it looks absolutely delicious. These are by far one of my favorites. It's like a chocolatey banana mint type flavor to it, but it is really good. We have 2 of these. These look good. I don't remember what these are, but they look like octopus or squid balls. Not like they do look delicious though. These look like little chocolate pancakes. I believe I have these upside down. Dora Coco. They look absolutely delicious, but everything in this box looks delicious. These look the most delicious of all. And I think it's because they put little drawings on them, like little cartoons. I don't know why, but the ones that have little cartoons or drawings on them always seem to taste the best. This looks like a healthy snack. You guys get a look back. These. All of these came from Tokyo. I hear Tokyo is a wonderful place to go to visit or move to. These look delicious. I like that they have like little cows or decoration of a cow's hide on it. It looks really cute and really good. This one looks like it's corn chips by the looks of it, actually. And they look absolutely delicious. And I know I keep saying they look delicious, but everything in these boxes always looks delicious. Ramune candy. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right. I'm probably butchering it, but I do like these candies. They always taste really good. And I always like the crunchy candies like this. It has like a crunch on the outside, chewy middle. This one looks like it has a crunch on the outside, chewy and crunchy middle. Coco Monaca. I'm still probably pronouncing that wrong. I forgot to show the top here. Classic Bokksu, Discover Japan through snacks. And then down here it says Crave More, save 10% with code CRAVE10 at bokksu.com/market. That seems to be the end of our box. If you guys have any more unboxing suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you, and I hope to catch you guys next time.